Hi, my name is Sean Moore, Technical Services Project Manager at EntirenetLabcastDemo, and in charge of Granite Pillar product development. I want to take a few minutes of your time to discuss one of our most exciting Granite Pillar online training options, the Labcast. But before I dive into the Labcast, let's talk a little bit about some of the benefits to using online training instead of the traditional instructor-led classroom. Online training is flexible. It allows you to train customers or employees or students all over the world from one centrally hosted location. Online training is cheap relative to traditional classroom setups. There are no travel costs involved, no hardware to purchase or to set up, and no spaces to rent for hosting your training event. Most of all, online training gives your students, employees, or customers options. They can break up their training sessions to fit their busy schedules. They can take training at home, on the go, or at the office. So what is a Labcast? What we've tried to do with our Labcast offering is couple those important features to the classroom environment, such as lecture and hands-on experience, with the flexibility and low-cost solution that online training provides. In short, a Labcast pulls together a variety of content to help create that instructor-led environment. That content can include videos, hands-on virtual labs, and downloadable content so that students can take their material offline. Now, let's take a look at one of our Labcast offerings and dive deeper into the components that make up that Labcast. This is a Windows 7 deployment Labcast that we did for the Microsoft Partner Network. It's a pretty straightforward Labcast, but it does embody all of the various features that make up a Labcast. What we're looking at here is the primary navigation page for the Labcast. This page acts as a gateway to all of the content found within the course. This primary page features a fully customizable skin that allows for made-to-order branding, such as what you see here. It also includes a simple-to-use navigation bar that allows the students to navigate through course modules, videos, and labs. The page includes an introduction page similar to the one you see here. This typically is used to provide quick overview of the course, as well as the amount of time the student can expect to spend on the course. We also include an objectives and prerequisites page with every Labcast, and you can also build in components that list next steps or suggested follow-up courses and readings for the student after completing the Labcast. With our feedback page, you can track verbatim feedback left by the students. This kind of data helps you refine the course for future versions. Aside from these basic features, there are two primary components to a Labcast that come together to help emulate instructor-led training in an online self-paced training course. These two components include videos and hands-on labs. To balance the hands-on experience and create more of an instructor-led atmosphere, we offer video hosting packaged into every Labcast. These include an instructor-delivered audio presentation that is synced up with a PowerPoint presentation or demo. The final video is packaged into our fully customizable video player. This player includes features such as a clickable table of contents that allows students to jump ahead in a lecture or easily back up to a specific section for review. It includes built-in links that provide access to downloadable course materials. These often include transcripts and PowerPoint slide decks for the student to review offline. Event details and related link tabs are tailored to provide additional information related to the video presentation. You can round out your training package by using video presentation that recreates the lecture portion of a training class. This gives the student a foundation to build upon before taking those next steps into the hands-on experience. We all know that there's no substitution for hands-on learning. What we've done with our virtual labs is create a virtual environment built on Hyper-V technology that empowers students and provides a true hands-on experience from anywhere in the world. That technology allows us to create labs that are fast loading and can handle multiple VMs in one lab. The lab we're looking at here contains 3 VMs, but we can host up labs that contain up to 6 VMs. Once the lab console loads, you'll find an easy to navigate and customizable instruction pane. Using this pane, the student can click through the lab manual right alongside the virtual machine that they are working from. Whether you're training new employees on in-house software, training new customers on the latest version of your software, or you just want to give potential customers the opportunity to test drive your product before they purchase it. This type of lab environment gives students and customers real-world experience, as well as much more control over the application than any demo ever could. Again, this type of lab environment is scalable to meet the needs of tens or hundreds of users at one time. Packaged with the help of the other services EntireNet offers, such as technical writing, instructional design, and even localization, EntireNet can provide a turnkey solution for your training needs. From content development to hosting and supporting your training, EntireNet offers a state-of-the-art virtual solution that can reach a global audience 24/7. If you're interested in learning more about how EntireNet can solve your hosted training needs, or you'd like to see a live demo of a Labcast, please drop us an email at granitepillar@entirenet.net. Thanks and happy training.